Okay, everyone, we are in the second lesson of our lessons on creating and solving for exercise in Python. In the previous lesson, we print each character, we solved that. Today, we are going to do exercise 2. Let's create a text box for it. Let me just clean here. Let me just clean it. Okay, we create a text box. Let me just bold it. Copy that, paste it here, and done. Okay, let's see what it wants us. It wants us to write a Python program that prints all even numbers in a given list. I want you to pause the video for a little time and think on how to solve this question. And after you're thinking about this, come and see the solve. Okay, let's start it. At first, we have a list, for example. Let's say number list. And we want us to, it is a list of numbers. And we want to give us the out number. What we say, if I say for x in number list, what print if x %2. What it's do, I told you in the previous lesson, but when we write this, it's going to give us what it is. Let me just, I write an example for you to better understand on it. Let me write it here. For example, we have a list that has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if we, for x in list, if we print x %2, what is going to give us? Sorry, I write it wrong. What is it? It means that 2 divided by 2, it gave us 0. But 1 divided by 2, it gave us, it's like this. We have an equation in the mathematics. Let me just write this in this way. Ax plus b divided by c is equal to c equal to c plus x. And what percentage give us? It gave us x. Let's see. 2 divided by 2 is 0. Is equal to 2 divided by 2. You see that? 2 divided by 2. And this is the way it's going to work. Okay. If you don't understand, ask me in the comment. I will create a video about it and tell you everything about it in detail. But just for now, we are going to say that if it's equal to 0, print x. Then run it. It's giving us the right answers. But we don't want it to be like this. We are going to make it more beautiful. But how? We are going to just say print the even numbers are. We just copy that, paste it here, and we just create a even, and we just here write even dot append x, and we here write even. And you see the even numbers are 2, 6, 4. It's really great to see. And some of you may ask why we don't use input, because it gave us a list, and it's a list. You don't know how to give you a list, because sometimes the input is not from the person or a user using that code, it's from your code. It's from the upper code that you write is going to give us a list. Okay, it's good. You understand everything. This is the end of our second exercise, but in the next lesson we are going to do another exercise. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you have any question in the comments. Until then, have a good